How to make more money in Canada. Invest with just $5 automatic investment. Join Stash and become an investor in 2 minutes. Get the help you need to build a long-term financial success. Plug into this online business, make sales and receive checks without having to hire or rely on a tech team or make any sales yourself. Attention, we are a 100% automated online income system. Get free access. Free affiliate program, high commission rate of 30%. LawDeported.ca. Make up to $1,000 per month. Trusted legal forms provider. Start earning now. Instant approval. Plug into this online business, make sales and receive checks. The most powerful automated direct sales system in the world. Hundreds of real members make sales and earn. Creative ways to make extra money online. Start a profitable blog. Participate in market research. Become a proofreader. Use checkback, shopping apps. Sell products online. Automate your investing. Rent out your car or deliver food orders. Make money with affiliate marketing. 7 real ways to make extra money from home and online in Canada. People also ask, how do I make an extra $1,000 a month? 26 ways to make earn extra $100 a month. Freelance writing. I am going to start with a method that's near and dear to my heart. Graphic design, web development, audio transcription, helping people with computers, investing your money, selling your old stuff, retail, airbaited. How to make an extra $1,000 a month. 26 ways that actually work. More, how can I make an extra $500 a month in Canada? Start a successful blog, free email course, earn up to $5,000 a month in extra cash with online surveys. Make money online with Pinterest. Make extra money with your smartphone. Teach English online. Make extra money with Uber Eats. Make extra money with affiliate marketing. Become a virtual assistant. 15 easy and legitimate ways to make an extra $500 a month from. What is good salary in Canada?